Happy Mortgage Monday, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to use a mortgage calculator. I know it sounds pretty simple, but to some folks it may not be, so I'm going to help you wrap your mind around how to come up with your taxes and insurance to input into the mortgage calculator. So first you're going to want to go and download the app. I suggest using this top left one, this orange icon. That's what Prime Lending prefers all of their loan officers to use. So that's why I have this one downloaded. Let's go in here. Today I'm going to base my numbers off of a house in Argyle that's selling for $400,000. And let's say our borrower is going to put 20% down for a mortgage amount of $320,000. So let's go in and put this in here. For our interest rate, you can literally Google today's interest rates, and some banks will pop up and give a normal rate. Just remember they will all vary, but that will at least give you a ballpark. So I'm going to say 4.5. And the term in years, we're going to say a 30-year mortgage. We're going to pay monthly. We're not going to worry about extra payments. Annual property tax, this is where a lot of people get confused. So if you have an address already in your mind that you're wondering what the taxes are, you can go into your local county tax assessor website and type in the address, and it will actually pop up what the owner or the previous owner is currently paying for their taxes. Now, just keep in mind that they will probably more than likely have some kind of exemption on their taxes, so it may not be the same exact tax that you're going to be paying. So, going to the tax assessor website and then actually going somewhere like Smart Asset, going to their property tax calculator, and then going in and typing, your location, the value, and then over here on the right, it'll give us our property taxes. So anywhere between those two numbers is probably a good ballpark. So I'm going to go back in here and type in my 8364. And then for the annual homeowner's insurance, I actually do it by a percentage because all the insurance carriers vary. So let's do our loan amount, $320,000 times 0.6% equals $1920. So I always do my estimated homeowner's insurance at 0.6%. So not going to worry about private mortgage insurance because remember this scenario is based off of someone that's paying, that's putting 20% down. So PMI is not coming into play here. So now we're going to calculate it. Here we go. Here's our numbers. How simple was that? Shows us our payment of $2,478. Shows us our last payment. Shows us how much is actually borrowed. The amount of taxes that you pay in those 30 years. The insurance, the interest, all of that stuff. And then at the bottom, our total repaid for a 30-year mortgage, borrowing $320,000. That's a lot, huh, folks? But that's what comes with owning a home. Here's our amortization schedule. You see payment up here says $1,621. That is just the principal and interest payment. This payment right here adds on our taxes and insurance. You can see a graph too. So that was it. That was basically it. I hope giving you that formula for the insurance and showing you how to get the taxes will help you next time you need to use a mortgage calculator. Okay, we'll see you next Monday.